In today's video, I will walk you through how to correctly export contacts on Brevo. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Brevo platform. Once the Brevo dashboard finishes loading, move to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu is displayed. This is where you can access different sections connected to your account, including contacts, campaigns, automation, and other tools available inside Brevo. From the left panel, locate the Contacts section and click on it. After selecting Contacts, wait a moment for the Contacts page to fully load. Once the page appears, you will see the list of contacts connected to your Brevo account displayed on the screen. Continue reviewing the available contact records until you find the contact you want to export. When you locate the correct contact, click on it so the contact becomes selected before moving to the next part of the process. After selecting the contact, move to the menu options available on the page and locate the section called More Options. Click on More Options to open the Additional Actions menu connected to the selected contact. When the menu opens, continue by selecting Export. Brevo will then open the Export Settings area, where the available export options for the selected contact will appear on the screen. At this stage, continue reviewing the CSV separator options available inside the export settings. Brevo provides different separator formats for the exported CSV file. In this example, the available separator options include semicolon and comma. Choose the separator format you want to use for the export file. Make sure the correct separator option is selected before continuing. After confirming your selection, move to the Export button displayed on the screen. Click on Export to begin generating the CSV export file. Brevo will then process the selected contact information and prepare the export file connected to that contact. Depending on your account activity or system response time, the export process may take a few moments to complete. Once the export process finishes successfully, the contact information will be exported in CSV file format. Continue reviewing the completed export section to confirm that the selected contact has been exported correctly from your Brevo account. After the CSV file has been generated successfully, the process for correctly exporting contacts on Brevo will be completed. Thank you for watching.